Spiced coconut coffee recipe, a delicious twist on your morning brew. Hey, coffee enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something extra special for you, a spiced coconut coffee recipe that will take your morning brew to a whole new level. It's the perfect fusion of the rich, bold flavors of coffee and the creamy sweetness of coconut, with a delightful touch of warming spices. So, let's dive right into it. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 coffee lover. 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee. 1/2 cup of coconut milk, canned or homemade. 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, adjust to your sweetness preference. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 1/8 teaspoon of ground cardamom. A pinch of ground cloves. A pinch of black pepper, optional for a subtle kick. Whipped cream, optional, for garnish. Toasted coconut flakes, optional, for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the coffee. Brew a cup of your favorite coffee using your preferred method. It could be drip coffee, French press, or any other brewing technique you prefer. The strong and bold flavor of coffee will be the base of our spiced coconut delight. Mix the spices. In a small bowl, combine the ground cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, cloves, and black pepper, if using. Give it a gentle mix to evenly distribute the spices. These aromatic spices will bring warmth and complexity to the coconut coffee. Heat the coconut milk. Pour the coconut milk into a small saucepan and warm it over low to medium heat. Be careful not to boil it, we just want it to be warm enough to blend easily with the coffee. Sweeten and spice it up. Add the coconut sugar and the mixed spices to the warmed coconut milk. Stir well until the sugar dissolves and the spices are fully incorporated. The natural sweetness of coconut sugar pairs perfectly with the spices and coconut milk. Mix it all together. Combine the spiced coconut milk with the freshly brewed coffee, and stir until everything is well combined. The coconut milk will infuse the coffee with its creamy richness and subtle coconut flavor. Garnish, optional but highly recommended. For an extra indulgent treat, top your spiced coconut coffee with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes. It adds a delightful texture and makes it look so tempting. Sip and savor. Now, it's time to enjoy your homemade spiced coconut coffee. Take a sip, and let the aromatic blend of coffee, coconut, and spices dance on your taste buds. It's the perfect way to start your day or enjoy a relaxing afternoon. There you have it, our delicious and aromatic spiced coconut coffee recipe. It's a delightful twist on your regular cup of joe, combining the richness of coffee with the sweetness of coconut and the warmth of spices. Give it a try, and we're sure you'll fall in love with this exotic beverage. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your coffee-loving friends. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes, and as always, happy brewing!
Introducing the Coffee Christmas Cheer Mug, the perfect way to spread holiday joy with every sip. This festive red hat is adorned with twinkling lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Crafted for coffee enthusiasts, this mug holds your favorite brew, ensuring every morning starts with a dash of Christmas cheer. Sip in style and embrace the holiday spirit with this delightful mug that combines functionality with festive charm.